Oh, good afternoon, guys. I'm here again to demonstrate something about orthodontics. My activity for this afternoon is showing you how to do the wire soldering activity. Okay? But before anything else, I'll show you what are the materials needed for the soldering activity, wire soldering activity. Of course, you need the wires, specifically the 0.040. If you don't have the 0.040, 0.036 will be fine. Okay? Second, you need to have, of course, the soldering paste. If you use the paste, you don't need to use the flux. But if you're using the soldering stick, you have to use the flux. Flux is the one that will try to oxidize the area around the wire so that it can be soldered properly. Okay? So, I have in here, okay? And the sandpaper as well. In front of you, I have this illustration. If you're going to solder two wires to join the corner, okay, all you need to do is you have to sandpaper the corner to make it angulated so that the corner wires will be joined together. But if the wire will be in the middle, it has to be flattened. All you need to do, use a sandpaper, something like this, or if not the sandpaper, you can use a wire file, okay, metal file will be fine. So since I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, first, okay, you have to make sure that the corners will be angulated, so you have to use this sandpaper. Nakabangga ka, ha? Ginagawa ko dito. Okay? And then, if it's already angulated, you do the same on the other wire. Okay? And then, here's the actual. I'm asking my son to hold the wires. Okay? Sige, okay lang. And then, I'll ask my son to dip it. Okay? Anak, JC, alisin mo kamay mo. Masunog ka.
Wala pa! Wala pang nasustis!
Sige, okay lang yan. Okay lang, okay lang. Inom mo lang kamay mo dyan. Hindi kita susunogin, anak. Trust me.
Pero yung mga nandito na po pa.
Higit mo lang. Okay, ganyan. Oh, bitawan mo. Oh, it's a magic.
No!
You can see in the video. Okay, that the wires are joined together. Okay, all you need to do is you have to make sure that the blue flame will be the ones touching these the wires and the soldering paste. Now, the last thing that you will do, so in order to do it, is to remove the carbon. Okay, we're removing it. Okay, until such time that the carbon will be removed. You can use also polishing using your low speed in order to remove the irregularities and remove the carbon. Okay, it's stable, as long as it is heated well and the ends of the wires are joined together. Okay, for the rest, as I've said, you do the same. As long as it is in the corner wire, you remove the sharp ends, make it angulated. If it's in the middle wire, you have to flatten it. Okay, so that's it. I'll be uploading this in the YouTube. Please continue to open it in my account, and then I hope that you can do the same thing on your own, in your own areas or in your own provinces. Thank you and good afternoon.